You took the scenic one.
You have to kind of fit things in. Okay, they got corn here.
Who is she? Yes.
How's it going?
No. West. Either west of the year or west for this engine. One of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they put this one sleeve because it's got
No, we've never done a Christmas train ride.
It's not as family friendly.
Like, you can beat the, what is it, the rhythmic one, or whatever
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Arcade and Attica Railroad, New York State's only steam railroad. Very glad to have you folks on board the train with us here today. First and foremost, you folks are indeed being pulled by a real live steam locomotive. This locomotive recently underwent a 7-year-long restoration project to return to active service. This is the first full season we've had it back in operation on our tourist trains, making it the only operating steam engine in New York State, and we're very glad you folks were able to come out today to enjoy the occasion with us. Just a couple of quick announcements as we get started here. You are welcome to travel in the train if you would like to. Located in car 305 is our concession area. 305 is the 5th car in today's train. We have popcorn, chips, candy bars, and cold drinks for sale in there. If you continue walking all the way to the very back of the train, we also have our open air car on board today, which you're very welcome to visit as well. If you do travel the train, please watch your step between the cars. There is a lot of motion outside, so please do not stop or stand on the platforms. And we just ask that any young children please be accompanied by an adult as they travel the train. All the coaches are equipped with 2 garbage cans, one at either end of the car. If you leave your windows closed this morning, we would appreciate that. If we have to adjust the heat at all, be sure to let one of the conductors know so we can do so. It should take us roughly about 35 minutes to reach our Curriers Depot here this morning. If you have any questions throughout the ride, please feel free to stop us. We will be around momentarily to punch your tickets. If you can please have them out and ready, we appreciate that. But otherwise, please kick back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of New York State's only operating steam engine echoing off the Wyoming County countryside. Thank you.
You don't even take it, they throw you off the train. And then they turn around and they look at everybody else on the train and they go.
I can't. How are you? I can't do
Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good, yourself?
Good.
All right,
Thanks.
enjoy. Yep, got it. So,
Keep it in your pocket.
That's why I'm scared stealth.
Yeah, it's looking better and better.
Will you watch my phone? They're right under the front wheel. It's gonna back up a little bit more once they're done doing that. I'm gonna go keep okay.
That one loosen up again? You still got room to tuck in?
You a dog? You're a caution?
And then we'll ride home again.
You tap on one of our faces there, folks.
I did, however, put it in a box of toys and he has. Okay.